Doesn't that just make you want to give the King of England a kiss?
Yeah.
Can I get your permission to walk down the road and jaywalk? Wow. There's barely anyone around. It's like you have this entire place to yourself almost. Hello. 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 Of course, the Westerners are the rudest people here. I think you actually just hit something. That's not my fault. G'day boys and girls, how's it going? It's your boy Connor, and today we are in Hong Kong, but we are not going to be in Hong Kong for long. We are going to the small island nation of Macau. So I am outside close to the ferry terminal. I've got to work out how to get there. I could see the boat that I'm going on over there. I'm well early, by the way. So essentially what Macau is, it's a Las Vegas equivalent in Asia. But then also it has a very old Portuguese style side of town that's World Heritage listed. So I'm going to show you both of them in the contrast. Kind of like here in Hong Kong, that was owned by the British. Macau was owned by the Portuguese. We've made it through, and I think we're still going to make the 8:30. Still a couple minutes. They're like, go, 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 8:30, 8:30. I mean, I don't mind. People are rushing though. I'm nowhere near like being late, but all these people are. People are stressing so much. Thank you. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. I think that guy's in my seat, but that's okay. We'll just switch to the other one over here. And we're literally leaving now. We made it on the last second to spare. I'm going to give you a bit of a look around, a quick look around the cabin, and then I'm going to come back to my seat. Are we allowed to walk around?
What?
Walk around? Can I walk around?
No, cannot.
I have to sit?
You want to inside the cabin?
Yeah.
Cabin.
I can walk around?
Yeah, but can't go outside.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. I also just have the habit of making a scene wherever I go. I mean, this is pretty much it. Not a lot to it, to be honest. I feel like I've already at least made a spectacle of myself to everyone on the boat. We have arrived at the harbour, at the docks. We were cutting through the water like Don Johnson on Miami Vice. We were shooting through the water. At the end there were two people remaining on the ship with me, and they were in front of me just hardcore smooching. Just open mouth, standing up in between two seats. They thought they were on the Titanic or some shit. It's not that sort of boat, brother. Let's get through customs. We're gonna have to get stamped, I think. It's proper customs, arriving in a proper country. Through looking on TikTok, I found that there's a bunch of shuttles that will take you to casinos for free. Don't know if that's the case. We're gonna try and get on one, see if we can get in there for free, because why not? I'm in here and all of the buses are just leaving, and the doors are all closed, and they've got no one on them. Why are they leaving if they've got no one on them? I'm trying to get on one of them. Excuse me, my friend. Shuttle? Over there? When is it leaving? Okay, didn't say when it was leaving, just kept pointing. Saying this one, let's get on this one. Shuttle? Everyone just keeps, that way? Everyone just keeps pointing me further and further along. Brother, quick question. I'm trying to get on a shuttle. Do you know how to get on a shuttle at all? No? English? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? English? No English? Okay, have a good one. I don't think he speaks English. I bet you these bus drivers will point me somewhere else. They'll be like, oh, over there, over there. There won't even be anything over there, it'll be the water. All right, let's go. We are on. We're on a free shuttle. He's closing the doors, come on. Thanks, champ. Bye-bye. Oh, thank you. My goodness me, boys and girls, this place is incredible. Oh, it's a lot cleaner than a London phone booth. You can call all the places in the UK. And there's no flyers or stickers for prostitutes in here like a London phone booth. Oh man. This place. Big Ben! Big Ben! Excuse me. Big Ben! Big Ben! Right there. Can you believe it? We got a Rolls Royce. It's got a red bus like in London. Surely we can get on. Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm in their way. But I should charge you to be in the photo, brother. Why are you ushering me out? This place is beautiful. Sir, doesn't that just make you want to give the King of England a kiss? Oh, okay. Don't worry. I wonder if people speak Portuguese around here. Você fala português? Você fala português? Oh, he doesn't speak Portuguese, all right. Me neither, that's okay. Build me up. Hello. Buttercup, don't break my heart. All right, where do we need to go? Excuse me, sir. Você fala português? No. You don't speak okay, all right. That's okay. We'll find someone. We'll find someone in this island who actually speaks the national language of this island. Excuse me, sir. Você fala português?
What?
Você fala português?
What do you mean? I don't speak Portuguese.
Ah, have a good day, brother. He's coming back. I don't want to like disrupt him.
Make your vlog.
I'm making a video. What is your name?
My name is Michael. I can speak one sentence of Portuguese.
What is that?
Eu chamo-me Michael.
Your name is Michael.
Yeah.
Are you from Macau?
I was living here in Macau before. Okay, I can teach you one Portuguese.
Okay.
So when you want to say cheers,
Cheers.
you say chin chin.
Chin chin. Is that
Chin,
Portuguese?
Chin. Yeah, Portuguese. Cheers.
Is that Portuguese or is that?
Yeah, that's Portuguese.
Cantonese.
That's Portuguese. Come on, that's Portuguese.
What should I see in Macau while I'm here?
What?
What should I see in Macau while I'm here? Like, what is one thing I should see?
Okay, I would definitely say casino. Okay, so this Venetian, it's like the most famous one.
Okay, lovely to meet you, man. I hope you have a good day. Enjoy your run, yeah? Break your record. All right, let's go have a look in the Venetian. This reminds me of the Venetian in Las Vegas. I said chin chin was cheers. Isn't chin chin cheers in Cantonese or Mandarin? Look at that! Beautiful, hey? Gorgeous! I'm talking about you, not the casino. Gorgeous.
I can't understand you.
You can't understand me? You are beautiful, my friend. What is your name? Lovely.
Where are you come from?
Guess.
Guess.
Oh,
American.
did you? Yes.
American.
American.
America. Put it there.
这样啥意思啊？
Have a good one, my friend. Take care. I'm not from America, by the way. Everyone guesses America over here. This place is beautiful. I can't believe I just put my finger in another man's fist. Look at this. Brother. Got St. Mark's Square Tower, I guess. I don't know what that is. I don't know what it's called. I know it's in St. Mark's Square. I've been to Venice. I know that's in St. Mark's Square, but I can't remember what it is called to save my life. Ciao, ciao. Chin chin. Chin chin. Whoa! It's like I'm actually in Venice. I'm gonna sneak under people's photos. Wow. Boys and girls, I think I found my home. I don't think I'll be allowed into the gambling area with this. I think we have no chance of getting in there with the camera. Hello, my friend.
Hello, my friend. You want to go outside?
Outside.
No, this way, okay.
What is your name? Raymond.
Thank
Raymond.
you, Raymond.
Like everybody loves Raymond. Have you seen the show?
Yes?
Raymond.
Yeah? Raymond, ma.
Raymond.
Hi.
I'm like Robert. I'm Robert, you're Raymond. Look at the height difference.
Hey, what's your name?
Have a good one, Raymond. Big ups to you. Can I get out this way? That way. Okay, thank you, my friend. Long lost brother Raymond. I definitely can't get this way. This way? We're having a conference with this guy.
Go in, then I'll go from the
Oh, we have to go back that way.
Yeah.
Can I get your permission to walk down the road and jaywalk?
Sorry.
Okay, that's all good. Have a good one. I just wanted to try, you know what I mean? Now, the thing about these sort of places, when they build these sort of things where there's so many different worldly things, they can come off a little bit tacky. But here does not come off tacky at all. It all seems like it's really built here and has history here. We have arrived at the Parisian. Wow. I've been up the Eiffel Tower. I wonder how close to scale that is. Like, this is shitting all over Vegas. Vegas is, I mean, I was there last year. It was very tacky. Wow. I mean, this isn't as impressive as the Venetian, but it's still impressive nonetheless. I mean, this is impressive. This is just impressive. Another thing about this place is, it is pretty much deserted. It's not like Vegas where it's just packed with people. There's barely anyone around. It's like you have this entire place to yourself almost. I think we're nearly coming to the end of the strip. Might be time to go see the old part of Macau. Right, this guy is gonna take me to St. Paul's for about 100. Boys and girls, we're pretty much there. He got me like 2 or 3 streets away. I actually want to walk the rest of the way. I love the old taxi. That's the first taxi I've taken years as well. Because Uber doesn't work here, they banned it here. But I love the old $20 starting fee before you even go anywhere. Boys and girls, we're starting to switch to some of these Portuguese style buildings and cobblestone streets. Excuse me, geezer. St. Paul's? St. Paul's, the ruins? What's your name?
Raymond.
Raymond?
Yeah.
Raymond. I just met a Raymond.
Really?
Yeah. Just at the casino. Just up there.
Yeah.
Looks like
Just
up there
right
to
to
the left.
left.
Thank you, Raymond. My guy.
Yeah.
Appreciate you. Have a good day, Raymond. Subsequent Raymonds, aka Raymond Squared. Very Portuguese, if you ask me. Look at how Portuguese it is. Hello. 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 Everyone said hello. Let's go. Hello. No, he didn't say hello. Hello. Everyone said hello. God. How am I supposed to? Ugh. Ugh. That works. Oh, look at this. Hello, kitty. Hello. Hello, beautiful. By the way, what are the odds of meeting 2 Raymonds within like 2 hours of each other? I've never met a Raymond in my life. And then I meet 2 within like, yeah, an hour, 2 hours of each other. That's crazy. A couple of Westerners around. I've seen 2 Westerners. 2 Westerners as well. Of course, the Westerners are the rudest people here. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Is that a view? Oh, my elbow. Macau lawsuit. What a view. Sorry, buddy, I'll just hop down. That's okay. I'll just hop down. You take your photo. It's all right. You take your photo. Hey, you take it. No, it's okay. Okay. Oh, you want me in it? You want me in it? All right. You want me in it? Is that sexy? Good photo? My God. Can I see it? There he is. He's presenting. He is presenting, my guy. Oh, he got it all in there. He got the rear in there. My guy. Put it there. Let's go. Have a good one, guys. Can't believe you took a photo, man. All the like Hong Kong Chinese tourists, they're down for the banter. They get it. They find it funny. Bro, all of us Westerners are letting ourselves down out here. We got to represent. We're out here. We're going to be entertaining. We're going to be friendly. We're going to be nice. We're going to chat with people. My goodness me. Look at how busy that is down there. All right, I'm going to take you with me. I'm just going to try and walk in a straight line and let's see how far we get. Already failed. Already failed. Oh. Oh. Where am I being sent? For a place that relies so heavily on cash when it comes to public transport, you think they'd have more ATMs. boys and girls, money secured. We got way too much. All right, let's go try a very famous Portuguese pastry that they make here. Boys and girls, this is what I want to try. A Portuguese egg tart. Let's get one. Can I please get 2 Portuguese egg tarts? Oh, lucky I got 2, I just dropped one. No! I'm not eating that. I don't care what any of you say, I'm not eating that. That one looked better as well. We got this one. I've always wanted to try these, by the way. All right, here we go. That is so good. Actually, I have a place in mind I do want to go. I do have a place in mind I want to go. Look at this. This is a good spot. This is very Portuguese, Spanish style cobblestones. The pattern on them is very hot here as well. I didn't put on any sunscreen because I'm like, it's winter here, it's cold. It'll be fine. Rookie mistake. Oh. Do you want me to help? Back. I think you actually just hit something. That's not my fault. I feel like I'm in Spain or Portugal. I guess that's the point. I guess that's why they built it here. Because they're Portuguese. Because Portugal owned here. Boys and girls, this is the casino I was talking about. Beautiful. Look at the state of that. Pure gold. I don't know if it's pure gold, but I think it's gold glass. We got the Casino at Lisboa right there. Grand Lisboa. So the gold one's the Grand Lisboa. Casino Lisboa. I think that might be all that Macau has to offer. Obviously there's going to be a lot of other stuff outside of the city that I haven't seen, but on a day trip we've accomplished a fair bit. They actually stop for crossings here, that's refreshing. Alright boys and girls, that is another video done. I've enjoyed my day here in Macau. I'm going to go for a quick walk around. Yeah, we got a wave. But we've had a lovely day here in Macau. I highly recommend you visit. A lot of Westerners don't visit here. It's a sick spot. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell as well so you don't miss future videos. And I will see you in the next thing that I do. Peace. Bye-bye. Let's go.